It's Thursday, April 23rd, 2026. It's about 12:23 p.m. I'm at UCSB Campus Point, parking lot number 6, up against the cliff fence, the same spot as always. Camera's about 45 feet. It might be 46, 47 feet with all the mulch they've added. Temperature is about 72, water temp's around 60, and humidity is around 40-41%. So that's Mesa Beach on the left, 6.5 miles. Background 22.7 miles at La Conchita Beach. So bright out here, I still can't really see what's going on, but typical low water line. See what's going on at the spot. I want to see if I can improve the focus over here. Hang on. I'm gonna head on down. Travis is camping down here, right in there somewhere along the coast. You're not gonna be able to see him because he's only about 20 feet up and everything's sunk apparently based on the way the spot looked back there. Yeah, pretty much like yesterday. So that's Houchin on the right at 17.8 miles. The tree just left the center at 30.6 miles, sunk down right above the water line. It's 280 foot elevation with the grove up to the left at about 320 feet. Did I say Houchin? That's Hogan, and then here's Houchin. Conejo Mountain in the background, 51 miles, 1,800 feet. And head across the Pesky Ridge to Henry. 16.4 miles at Henry. The ridge is just right of center there. The low spot, 900 feet, just over 50 miles. And then Saddle Peak back there at 71.5 above Malibu, 2789 foot elevation. There's Hill House. Yeah, it just doesn't like the focus today. Heat haze, I suppose. 14.6 miles at Hill House. Platform A, B, and Platform C at 13.1 miles. I can't tell if I can see the railing across there. It's possible. Well, zip over to Magoo Peak. Right there, Magoo Peak, 50 miles. It's basically right above Magoo Rock down there on the Highway 1 below Magoo Naval Air Station. That's 1,260 foot elevation. Number 4, Pesky Ridge. Over 3, back to the tree. It's really quite a nice day out here. A little bit warmer than yesterday. I'll bring you up around the mountains here for fun. Okay, over and out.